Descaling. Descale the appliance when Descaling needed, press OK to start 30 minutes appears on the display. To descale the appliance immediately, press OK and follow the instructions. To descale the appliance later, press ESC. The symbol appears on the display to remind you that the appliance needs descaling. To access the descaling menu, press Setting Menu icon to enter the menu. Press the Start icon to start the descaling cycle, then follow the instructions on the display. Empty drip tray. Remove, empty and replace the drip tray and grounds container. Remove water softener filter is displayed. Extract the water tank. Remove the water softener filter if present and empty the water tank. Add DeLonghi DESCALER, level A, and water up to level B is displayed. Pour the descaler into the tank up to the level A marked inside the tank, equal to one 100 ml packet. Then add water, litre up to level B. Put the water tank back. Place 2 litre container under spouts, press OK to start descaling is displayed. Place an empty container with a minimum capacity of 2 litres under the hot water steam spout and coffee spouts. Press OK to confirm that you have added the descaling solution. Descaling underway appears on the display. The descale program starts and the descaler liquid comes out of the hot water steam and coffee spouts. A series of rinses and pauses is performed automatically to remove all the scale residues inside the coffee machine. Important: danger of burns. Hot water containing acid flows from the hot water steam and coffee spouts. Take care to avoid contact with splashes of this solution. After about 25 minutes, descaling stops. Rinse and fill water tank up to max level. Appears on the display. The appliance is now ready to rinse with fresh water. Empty the container used to collect the descaler solution. Extract the water tank, empty, rinse under running water, fill with fresh water up to the max level and put back in the appliance. Place 2 litre container under spouts, press OK to start rinsing, appears on the display. Place the container used to collect the descaler solution empty under the coffee spouts and hot water steam spout and press OK. Hot water is delivered first from the coffee spouts, then from the hot water steam spout, and rinsing underway is displayed. When the water in the tank has run out, empty the container used to collect the rinsing water. Insert filter into its housing is displayed. Press Next. Rinse and fill water tank up to max level is displayed. Extract the water tank and, if removed previously, replace the water softener filter. Fill the tank up to the max level with fresh water and put the water tank back in the appliance. Place 2 litre container under spouts, press OK to start rinsing is displayed. Place the container used to collect the descaler solution empty under the hot water steam spout and press OK. Hot water is delivered from the hot water steam spout and rinsing underway is displayed. At the end of the second rinse, empty the container used to collect the rinse water and the drip tray. Fill tank with fresh water appears on the display. Remove the water tank and fill with fresh water up to the max level. Then put back in the appliance. Descaling is complete. If the descaling cycle is not completed correctly, for example, no electricity, we recommend repeating the cycle. After descaling, it is normal for the grounds container to contain water.